So if you're the type of person that get disgusted by feet, I don't think this video is for you, because we're going to get really personal and gross and just, ugh, like if you're eating, I don't think it's going to work out. It's still quarantine and the nail salon is closed, so we just got to do what we got to do. By the way, subscribe to my channel. Guys, don't judge, okay? I haven't got a pedicure in about 3 to 4 months. The last time I got a pedicure was probably in February. I think when I was traveling, that's when I got a pedicure. And as soon as I came back in March, everything was closed. So basically, I have been in bondage. I decided to try a foot mask. I saw this at ultabeauty.com and I'm like, okay, what else can happen? Let me just try it, because I need to get all the calluses out of my feet. My feet look so gross and it's just not cute. I need to do something about it. I've never tried a foot mask before. This is my first time and I've heard so many good things about it. Luckily, this mask also came with a tape so you can like secure all the moisture inside of it. This foot mask claimed to peel out all the calluses out of your feet, takes away all the dead skin. So I'm going to see how it's going to work out. It's recommended to cleanse your feet before using the foot mask, but I just got out the shower, so I just decided to just go ahead because I already like scrubbed my feet in the shower. The instructions also say that you should wear the foot mask for at least an hour. I actually end up wearing it for like almost 2 hours, because based on the reviews I got, most people said that it was more effective worn more than an hour. So I was like, okay, might as well just wear it. And oh my gosh, it is the most uncomfortable feeling ever. Okay, like you can't even walk. You gotta like sit down, watch a movie or something, because like you're gonna fall. Just be careful when you wear this, because it's very dangerous. It's very slippery. So this is what my feet look like after I took the mask out. Like it was so moist and it was like so moisturized. And then I just put on some socks and went to bed and called it a night, and just see how it was gonna look. The next morning, like it was looking really, really dry. It's like the moist dried up completely. And then I soaked my feet every day after that. So the first day I soaked my feet, and this is what my feet look like. It was kind of very, very like really scary and like zombie-ish. Most people recommended using Epsom salt while you soak your feet throughout the days. According to the instructions in the box, you're supposed to soak your feet at least every day for 5 to 7 days to see like full results. And every day when I soak my feet, more layers of skin would come off. So I would just like peel out excess of skin, because I didn't want to like, walk around the room with all that falling out. And also I recommend wearing socks every day before going to bed, because you don't want all that grossness on your sheets. And I have white sheets and ain't nobody got time for that. Okay. I don't want that. I don't want that. That's gonna freak me out. So I always wear socks before going to bed, because you don't know what your feet is gonna look like the next morning. By the 5th day, my feet were so dry and achy. Like when you do this, like I don't recommend going out, because this is really, really gross. Like your feet is just gonna look like so cakey and so gross and so dry. And it was kind of like a little bit difficult to walk. Like it was hurting a little bit. But by the 7th day, I was like sick and tired of it. Like taking out my socks was like embarrassing, and my feet was ready to be peeled. But first I had to like, soak my feet again, because I've been doing that for the past 7 days. And I decided to soak it up with some Epsom salt as well, because that's what I usually use anyway to soak it up. So I use the Epsom salt, soak up my feet. I soak up my feet for like 30 minutes, sometimes an hour. Some days if I'm watching like a really, really juicy episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. So I decided to start peeling. Oh my God, this process was so hectic. If you know your arms are gonna get tired, just sit on the floor. Like, I regret not like sitting on the floor and doing this because my arms were hurting because it takes so long to do this. Like, it took me at least an hour to get all the skin out. Like, but it was like so relaxing at the same time. Like, for some reason, it was like so pleasurable to do this. Like, I felt so good while doing this. It was weird. It's just that my arms were hurting and it was like a lot for me to bend down. But if you can sit on the floor and do this, then it will be perfect for you. But as you can see, like, my feet like literally took so well to the mask. Like, everything, all my extra layer skin came out. My calluses, everything was literally gone. Oh my gosh, guys, just watch what I'm talking about. Just enjoy. After taking all the peel out, I decided to just cleanse my feet, soak it up one more time and scrub it, get rid of all the dead skins out. Just so you know, your skin is still going to continue peeling for like 2 more weeks, but it's not going to be as aggressive as the first week. So like, you're going to see like a little bit of flakes here and there, but it's not going to be like so dramatic. It's just going to be like more skin coming out and not too much. So I decided to just, scrub my feet just to get rid of all the dead skins out, just to, do my regular routine, the ones I usually do when I'm home. I also decided to apply baby oil on my feet so that my feet can be all smooth like butter. Guys, look at my feet. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. Like, this thing works. This is crazy. If you haven't tried this, you need to try this because this thing works and it's amazing. Like, it's wonders. I love it. I would definitely do this again. It's recommended to do it like every 2-3 months. Like, who needs a nail salon? Who? Look at my feet. Okay, who needs a nail salon? Nobody. If you try this, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Baby girl, you